is Jetson Nano? One of the most asked question is, what is Jetson Nano?
I don't know what you